Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Variety of Crochet. Today I have beautiful amazing crochet bellies ideas, beautiful belly dogs, beautiful attractive mini belly dogs, beautiful designs, all about of knitted pattern. This is all dogs, belly dogs, handmade beautiful thread work. So I hope you like this video. So if you also like this video and love my ideas and my channel, so please subscribe my channel, press the bell icon, stay connected, share this video, stay safe, stay healthy, stay connected with my channel Variety of Crochet. You can easily get the wonderful ideas all about of knitted pattern. So stay connected, lots of love, all my commenters, subscribers and YouTube family members. Enjoy this video. Bye bye.